Hello guys, eto na naman po, meron na naman akong bagong i-upload ang first birthday ng aking bunsong apo, si Piper Queen. Eto muna ang setup, eto muna ang inaayos. May playing area dito sa garahe, yan. Dito sa basement. I-enjoy na yung dalawa kong apo. Ay, grabe, saya ng dalawa, oh. Anong ginagawa mo? Harper. Oh. Wow, happy? Ha?
Happier than ever.
Wow. Eto na nga, nagpe-prepare sila. Ay, nasira. Ito yung susuot ng aking apo. Yellow gown. May headband siya na happy birthday. May clip siya na yellow. Yan ang isusuot niya.
Dance. Ha? Ang pangit ko. Ang hipon.
Ay!
Init. Don't touch.
Oh! Hello, Piper!
You don't like it?
Tan! Ay, Diyos! Clap! Oh! Piper! Hello! Hello!
Come on.
Piper! Hello!
Piper!
Clap! Piper!
Piper!
Sit down first.
Yay!
Maganda man na wala yung light.
Oo.
Sobrang isa. Ayun na, may switch doon. Yan.
Piper! Yun!
Napuwing. Piper!
Kini?
It's the light. Nakita mo na ako. Napisa kami.
Kagamiya. Kagahapon na ako ang
Yan, may lechon. Bupis.
Hindi ko na siguro yun.
Huwag na.
Ay, dalawa. Cute.
Sumpay na lang yan.
Uy, kayo. Pilo, sige kita.
Or tawagin natin lang si Viper.
Uy, ka mga pogi.
Uy.
Pabalik na lang.
Hindi ko na siguro yun.
Huwag na.
Ay, dalawa. Cute.
Sumpay na lang yan.
Uy, kayo. Pilo, sige kita. Ay, rose.
Or tawagin natin lang si Viper.
Uy, ka mga pogi.
Uy.
Pabalik na lang.
Isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And kids, ayan, do your activities. Ayan, pwede po tayong magkulay-kulay dyan sa ating tables. We have activity that we prepared para po sa inyo. Thank you so much. Kami lahat. And again, everyone, we will start our program. Whose birthday today? It's Viper Prince birthday. Kaya everyone, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. One more, isang pag-bless at malakas. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Yes, once again, everybody clap your hands. Our birthday family! Now this time, requesting everyone to please everybody stand up. Kayo po tayong lahat. Let's
Ano lang, thank you everyone for coming. Basta enjoy lang ta. And ano ko, happy ko na naka-attend ang aking mga love.
Now, this time, let's take a family picture for first. Alright, may kapatid po ba siya? And everybody, handa po natin yung ating mga camera. And syempre, huwag niyo pong kalimutan. Yes, alright. Kaya naman, ready for the first game. And this is what we call a warm-up game. Bring me game muna tayo. Ayan. Now ready to the first. Bring me. Who can bring me? Kailangan ko po ng 5 winners. Who can bring me? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are our winners. Claim your prizes kay Ate. Kailangan ko ng 2 winners. Who can bring me a white hair or uwan? Wala na ba white hair? Wala na. Alright. Ready? To the next gamit sa mga gadgets. Bawal malumpat. Who can bring me a cell phone? Charger! Cell phone charger. Charger. That's for you. Another 2 winners. Winner! We need more winners dahil marami tayong prizes. Pogi at Achong Daddy, Tito, or Lolo? Lolo, Daddy, or Tito? Go! Marami tayo doon sa likod. Stop the music, ate. Do a picture. Tingin sa camera. And 1, 2, 3, and smile! Alright. Okay. Dalhin po natin yung kids natin, Ma'am Dayan, sa front. Alright. 6 na pairs ang kailangan natin. Kulang pa ang tulo. Kambal po sila. Sino pwede ang kasama ng isang kambal? Sino ang pwede? Ayan. Sino ang pwedeng pwedeng kasama? Group 1, so during kita na side. Ayan. Mamasa sa iyo, magpupuno ng palakpak. Very good na side. How about you? What is your name? Amber. Amber. Nanong naani sa ikaduha. How about you? Ate, what is your name? Again? Sorry. Pero dapat si ate yung nandito sa harapan. Okay. Dito na side. How about you? What is your name? Once again, everybody see. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more is on the best. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. 3, Piper, blow your first birthday candle. Blow. Yay! Everybody clap your hands. Yay! Once again, everybody clap your hands.
Watch it, I color the hair. You should color this.
Alright, on this side, everyone, it's time for our dinner. Requesting everyone who is young to stand up. Ayun po tayo lahat. Thank you so much. And also,
Sa mga bata. Isa lang, naratalap. Kamu yan. Ay, what?
Mawag yung ebidensya ng pwede.
Ay,
Okay
okay.
na, okay na. Ay, napatay pa net.
Videohan ko kayo ha, kaysa vlogger baga ako. Kaya upload ko to sa YouTube ka na.
Okay, one picture here.
Iba na naman ang damit na celebrant. Ay, happy na siya, oh.
Group yourselves into one. You have to do like this. One. Hide yourselves. One. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into two. Find your partner.
toast!